Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson about equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus c. The other name of this type of equation of line is equation of non-vertical line. What is equation of non-vertical line and how to find equation of non-vertical line and what are the m and c of this line? In order to understand these all things, you have to watch this lesson carefully because this lesson is not only important for D3 chapter number 6 but D2 chapter number 2 and D4 the plotting of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So all of the students can take help from this lesson. Let's move to the understanding of the concept. First of all, here if we look at the equation of line, that is y equals to mx plus c, it's important to understand that what is m and how to calculate that m and what is c. Okay, coming to m is the slope of the line and that is the ratio of rise over run, and we can calculate the gradient by taking the difference of y values upon the difference of x values. Coming to c is the y-intercept, is the point where the line crosses y-axis. Then next thing is to understand that what are the special types of lines. Special types of lines contains only one variable, like x equals to a, any number, and this will be like, if I'm drawing the sketch over here, we can see that this is my Cartesian coordinate axis, and x is equal to a means that that line is cutting at any point on x-axis. Okay, then it's a vertical line and it's parallel to y-axis and its slope will be undefined. Coming to the second type of special line, that is y is equal to b, means in this form your line will be cutting at certain point on y-axis. That's why it's called y is equal to b, any number, and it's a horizontal line and its slope is 0. Coming to the next point, that how to find the equation of line in the form y is equal to mx plus c when given 2 points. When 2 points are given, first with the help of the 2 points we have to find the slope m, and then we have to replace any one of the points x and y values into the equation y is equal to mx plus c along with slope. Coming to the next point, that finding the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c when slope is already given and a point is given. Here we will just be given 2 points, and with the help of those 2 points we have to find m and c. But in the second case we will be given slope value already and 1 point will be given. So first of all we have to replace value of m in the given equation, and then we have to use the given point to find c, which is the y-intercept, and then finally we have to write the equation with m and c known. And coming to the equation of line which are passing through origin, as the line will be passing through origin, so that means that that line will not be meeting at any point on y-axis. It can be in the form y equals to x or y equals to minus x, and coordinates of origin are 0, 0. For better understanding of next lesson, I hope you will be watching and understanding this lesson carefully, because if the basic lesson is clear, the next lessons will be easy. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share, subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.